Hi guys.
And this down here is Poppy. Say hello, Poppy. Today we're going on about 7k walk round from Welford down to the Grand Union Canal, and then we're going to loop back round along the canal to the wharf inn and hopefully get some lunch there. So we'll catch you a bit later on the trail. Bye. Yeah.
So we're just passing this quarry here and noticed this little hole in the fence. And Tiffany told me that's where the badgers can pass through, so they can go down into the quarry down there. Because actually just past there, up the corner there was a badger set amongst those trees.
So we've made it down to the Grand Union Canal. It's not looking particularly clear down there, but it is the winter. But the towpath looks as though it's not too muddy, so I think we'll be alright.
That's the opposite way. That's the way we're heading that way, aren't we?
We're heading that way, yeah.
Okay, well, that's the way we're heading on the canal now.
I think Poppy might already be down there. Oh no,
she-
here she comes.
She's looking for us. No swimming in the canal, Bobby.
No
Okay.
swimming with your backpack on.
Let's head down there. Okay, still walking on the canal section here. Weather's a little overcast this afternoon. Well, it's actually still this morning, but this afternoon it's supposed to clear up a little bit, so we'll see how that goes. And Tiffany was just telling me that this is the Grand Union Canal here is also an aqueduct because it's set above the ground around us, so that's pretty cool. Didn't know that. And this reminds me when I walked on the Caledonia Canal in Scotland, when I hiked the Great Glen Way. It's really a canal feature. It makes it kind of nice. It just separates from the land to the canal, which is good. Got some nice grass is growing next to the canal here. We just had a canal boat go by, which is neat. And yeah, we're just walking this section of the hike today. It's very nice. Nice and peaceful, not too many people. Poppy's doing great. So let's keep walking.
So here's where we need to cross over the canal, because we just come along the Grand Union and now we need to head off down the Welford Arm. So this is bridge number 42, and Charles has just made it all the way over there. There he is. So Poppy and I now have to try and get over there past all the stiles, so I might have to take a backpack off, and then we're going to head off down there, down the Welford Arm, down to the pub so we can get some food. So here we are, just coming back into Welford Marina. The pub that we're going to have lunch at is just round the corner. It's quite busy out here, isn't it, today?
It is. Lots of people.
Lots of people there, lots of wood fires going on these boats.
Smells nice, actually.
It's gorgeous.
It's been a great walk.
People keeping warm. Poppy's done ever so well. She's still walking nicely with her backpack.
Everyone's commenting on her backpack.
Yeah, I think there's lots of people that will want them for their dogs, isn't there?
Yes.
There was a German Shepherd back there who was getting a little bit worried, I think. But yeah, it's been a lovely walk. I mean, it's a little bit overcast, but
Now I'm hungry.
it's been good, isn't it? It's dry.
Yes.
So back to the pub. We're going to have some lunch. Get all our shoes changed so that we're not traipsing mud into the pub. Get backpacks off and go and have something nice to eat. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time, and if you like what you see, then please like and subscribe. Bye then.